Welcome back to the channel. Today, we are going to fully master some and any. Many English learners confuse these two, but by the end of this lesson, we'll be able to use them confidently in any situation. Also, we are so close to 500 subscribers. Help the channel reach that milestone. Part 1. Positive statements. Some is usually used in positive sentences. Example, I have some oranges. Example, she bought some books yesterday. Mini exercise. Try making 5 sentences with some about things you have at home. Special note. Some can be used for offers even in questions. Example, would you like some coffee? Example, can I give you some advice? Short practice. Make 3 offer sentences using some. Part 2. Negative sentences. Any is usually used in negatives. Example, I don't have any money. Example, he doesn't eat any vegetables. Mini exercise. Make 5 negative sentences using any about your daily life. Note, any is sometimes used with hardly, barely, scarcely. Example, I can hardly find any information. Example, she barely has any friends here. Part 3 questions. Any is generally used in questions. Example, do you have any sugar? Example, are there any seats left? Some is used in questions when offering or requesting. Example, would you like some tea? Example, can I have some water? Mini exercise. Ask 5 questions using some or any. Part 4. Special situations and comparisons. Compare, I have some apples versus I don't have any apples. Discuss common mistakes. Example, incorrect. I don't have some apples. Example, incorrect. Do you have any tea when offering? Practice with role play. Imagine you are at a cafe, supermarket, classroom, and make sentences with some and any. Recap key points. Some in positive statements and offers, any in negatives and questions. Encourage audience to write 5 new sentences using some and any in the comments. Remind, help the channel reach 500 subscribers. Thanks for watching and see you next lesson.